Alright, what we're going to do today is we are going to create multiple pages and then link them together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out pretty much from scratch to show you a couple easy ways to create multiple pages, but also to show you guys, and again, give you just some more information about opening things up and kind of refreshing memories and things like that, just so you have it. Again, I've got a folder on my desktop that I'm going to open up, but see, for each one of my websites I've created a different folder. Okay, so I've got, this is for the first one, here's for the span tag that I did, and here's for the multiple pages that I'm going to do now. So I've got different folders that I'm going to put things in. So images, different pages, everything is going to go inside that folder. That's why it's so important to create a new folder for every single website you do. So I'm going to open up my multiple page tutorial, and I've already created a page 1, which I'll show you. So I'm going to do this. From here, I'm going to double click to open it up, and there's nothing on it, as you can see. But what I'm going to do now to get my notepad is I'm going to right click, go down to open with, and then you should see notepad. If you don't, again, click the plus sign, go down to notepad, okay, under choose default program. But my notepad is showing up, so I'm going to click my notepad. So that's what I've done so far. And again, ladies and gentlemen, it's important, it's imperative, okay? Let me do this and open up my notepad from there. These are the 4 main tags that you need to have all the time, okay? Some of you are not doing this to begin with, and you need to. All right, so put those 4 main down. You notice, let me go up here and put some space in here. Everything in my CSS, my style tag, beginning and ending style tag, and then all my CSS is going to go right here. And then everything that I want to show up on my page is going to go right here in between the body. So this is, I've called this page 1 because I'm going to have 2 pages. So what I'm going to do is, now that I have this, instead of recreating this and doing this all over again, I'm just going to do a file, save as, and I'm, instead of calling this page 1, I'm going to call it page 2.html. Please don't forget the .html, and again, I didn't put any spaces in there, okay? So page 2.html, and then I'm going to make sure it's in the right folder, and I'm going to click save. So now I've got my page 2, so I'm going to change this to page 2 as well. I'm going to come down here in my body, and I'm going to put a big H1 tag that says this is page 2, just so we can see it. And I'm going to save that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this. Actually, I'm going to save that. I think I saved that. I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to open up my page 1. See, now I have both of them. There's my page 1. I'm going to open with Notepad. Okay, so here's back to my page 1, and in my body, I'm going to put an H1 tag, and this is page 2. H1. Okay. So now I've got both of my pages, so I'm ready to link them together. Okay, and I'll do that in the next video.